Hello friends, this is Jackie again with Jackie of All Trades. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I'm joined today in the intro by my friend Teddy. And I'm sure you're all wondering why he is here in the intro with me if we're going to do a review on my over-the-range microwave. You should stay tuned to find out. Hello again, friends. Today we're going to be doing a review of the brand new over-the-range low-profile microwave from Whirlpool. I recently did a renovation in my kitchen and I installed this microwave and it has completely revolutionized the way I use this space. As I have mentioned in prior videos, both on my channel and on Mark Tobin Kitchen Design, I am an advocate for the over-the-range microwave and I am simply in love with this model from Whirlpool. And I don't want you guys to think that the affections only go one way. This microwave loves me too. And I can prove it. Just watch this. Look. Tell me you can't feel the chemistry. Do you feel how much we love each other? We are really vibing, right? But seriously, it's probably good for us to go over the specific features on this microwave, and then I can tell you about all the reasons why it works so well in my kitchen. I am particularly in love with this over-the-range microwave hood combination from Whirlpool, available in various colors including black stainless and the new Sunset Bronze series. It features a modern, sleek, compact design with your most used buttons on the exterior. It's ideal for even the lowest overhead cabinetry, and it allows you to reclaim your countertop space, enhancing your cooking experience in the kitchen. So, what's not to like about this microwave? In the first place, you do get a twofer. You're getting both an appliance that microwaves like a champ, so it cooks and reheats your food very well, but it also doubles as a standard hood vent with, in this case, 400 CFMs of power, which is plenty to remove moisture and odor from the air. Number two, specific to my updated model of this low-profile microwave, you have the easy-to-clean, patented clean release technology on the inside. Cleaning up is a breeze. You just go in there and you wipe out, and I'll show you in a demonstration here. Number three really is its low-profile, space-saving design. Roughly, the measurements are about 10 inches tall, about 29 inches across, and about 18.5 inches deep. So much smaller than your standard over-the-range microwave, very much so ideal for areas where you really need that space back, or you have a low ceiling, or you have cabinets that come down pretty far, and it gives you plenty of operating space between the actual bottom of the microwave and the top of your range there. The other thing that sets this microwave apart for me is the push to open door design, because why wouldn't you need that, right? Okay, if that's too fancy for you, there really is this little spot down here under the lip. It's a spot where you can just manually open that, if you're into that kind of thing. Okay, I was trying to find an effective way to really demonstrate what 400 CFMs of blowing power gets you. And the best I can think to do is use this pot of boiling water. And you can see how that steam is dancing off the front of the microwave right now. But let's see exactly what happens when I turn the fan on. Okay, right here. Watch how the moisture wicks away from the front of that microwave door. And that is because the steam that's being generated below, instead of going up into the air, is now, you see the last little piece is disappearing here, is now going into these vents under the bottom here. So can you see those? That's where the moisture is going, keeping the front of the microwave clean. It's a perfect, I think, demonstration, or as good as I can get here, of how that 400 CFM blowing power moves all those odors and moisture out of your kitchen while you're preparing a meal. Well, I'm going to demonstrate the cleaning power here. You can see that we've got food caked on the top and the back, and all I'm going to do is take a basic cleaning wipe and wipe it out. So I've got a couple of flashlights in here to light up the area, but as you can see, I'm not scrubbing. All I do is go ahead and just wipe the area and the surface in the back and on the sides, and everything just comes right up quick and easy. Cleanup is a breeze. Now we're going to test the capacity on this low profile microwave. With the help of Teddy, we're going to put some common household items
into that microwave, and some you probably wouldn't, like your basic coffee cups or maybe your larger coffee cups. What about this wide casserole dish or a 8-quart roasting pan that's actually not microwave safe? Don't try that at home. And then I started thinking, what wouldn't fit in here? Teddy, do you think you'd go inside? We're going to go ahead and try to put him in there. Looks like he might make it.
I know. You're thinking to yourself, what kind of woman would put a teddy bear in the microwave? Isn't that some sort of abuse? But I assure you, Teddy is a willing participant. All right, Teddy, you can come out now.
So there you have it, folks. That's the low profile over-the-range microwave hood combination from Whirlpool. Whirlpool, by the way, did not sponsor this video. These are my opinions and mine alone. And I can say my kitchen is small and our old microwave is taking up a lot of counter space, and this new appliance here is a real space saver for me. Lots of bells and whistles associated with it, but I say buy this. You will not regret it. I've enjoyed every moment of it. So I hope you've enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.